Welcome to the Ancestral Alchemy podcast. This transformational podcast is dedicated to uncovering the collective wounds passed down from generations. In today's episode, we are talking to Chris Wurden, language of breath, advanced oxygen advantage, Buteyko, advanced yoga practice, yoga nidra.
I was basically born into burnout. I was in the hospital about 25 times between the age of 2.5 and 16. Well, I mean, first of all, breathwork or pranayama has been around since humans were humans. This is not a new thing. Let's look at all of this as a philosophy. How do we communicate with our body? How do we build a positive relationship and create teamwork between our conscious and unconscious, our mind and our body, and create union in order to communicate to ourselves, because we are not machines. We're not